is important. I want you to smile today.
But I don't feel like smiling.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love
Hello, my name is Simone and welcome to my room. Yes, so this year I'm in a single, you guys, and I love it. Okay, so let's get started. These rugs I got from the white rug I got from Marshall's, white rug I got from Target. And then I have these little behind the door racks that you saw in my other room tour. I don't remember where I got this from. I think I got those as a gift. But yeah, love those. And then I got the little boards and stuff from Target, I believe. And this is like my little refrigerator area. Those pictures I got from Marshall's once again. And then yeah, I love this little area over here, honestly. I got that picture as a gift, but the other ones I got from Marshall's, and then I just threw one of my old rugs on top of it just for decoration. Alright, and then I got these little photo boards from Amazon. I can probably link them. If I find them, I'll link them. And that fluffy board, how cute is that? Also got that from Marshall's? No, actually I got that from Burlington. Burlington has really good things. Most of like my pictures and like things on my wall, like my wall decor, most of that is Burlington or Marshall's. Yeah, so definitely go check those out for like room stuff because they have really good stuff. And then over here is my little TV area. The little fluffy thing that I have is actually my UGG comforter pillowcase. I just threw that there because I didn't want it as a pillowcase. And then these throw blankets I got from Target, and my little pillow collection. All of these pillows came from Marshall's. I love these pillows so much. The only thing about the shaggy pillows, they like shed a lot, so yeah. But and then I got this little caddy. This UGG caddy is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and so is my comforter. My comforter is also from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like the UGG collection. And I got this little poof thing so that I can get on top of my bed. Got that from Marshall's, I believe. Yes, got that from Marshall's. Super cute. And this is my desk area. I love my desk. How cute is my desk? So, yes, this is one of my old mirrors. I like had it already, but that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then my aunt gave me that thing with all my pencils in it. The S I got from Marshall's. Everything I got from Marshall's, like everything over there in that little area, is from Marshall's. That lamp is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's something I already had. And then the little fluffy rug thing that I had that you saw before, that was from, I'm trying to think, where was that from? Amazon. But yes, that's it for this room tour. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
you, I love 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 you.